In this video, I'll show you how to change the URL of your content in HubSpot so you can update your page links and keep your site organized. To do that, first head over right here into your marketing. Then head over to their website. And once you have done that, just head over and open the page that you want to open right there. Let me open right here my home page. Let's click on this in order to open it. Once you have opened your page, just head over to the settings of that particular page. Here it is. And once you're there, next thing you need to do is update the page URL for this case. Let's head over to the General tab. You can see right here your internal page name and your page title. So let's also head over and add right here a page. And here we have the content slug. As you can see, when I update the page title, it also updates the content slug right here. If you want to change this, for example, let's add homepage, it will also accept that. So you can change your URL right here by changing the content slug of your actual domain. Once you're done, head over and save the changes that you have made. That's it for this quick HubSpot URL tutorial. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot guides.